Welcome to this brand new video. In this video we're gonna take a look on how to create on how to study loops. Alright, so just follow along with me. As you can see right now, I'm already start working with Playground, but for those of you guys who have not yet learned how to create a new Playground, let me just demonstrate it a little bit before we go to what we're supposed to do. Go to Xcode and Playground. In this video we are using the blank activity. You click next, so you can choose wherever you want to save your project. So I'm not going to do it because I've already created a Playground. I already started working with the Playground, so I just want to demonstrate for those of you guys who have not yet learned how to do it. So I'll just click cancel, and then let's get back to work today. So for loops, this is loop. We are talking for loop. We have while loops. Like you can see, I already have a project here, while loop, but today we are talking for loops. For I in 0 less than 100, maybe I can put let me just say 90 less than for I in 0 less than 90, print I. So this is our question that we are working on, and this is print I. We have to close open curly braces, close curly braces. Now write var number. Remember, we are dealing with whole number, not a float, not double, which is not whole number, which is integer. So we have to use in because all this number and there are no decimal points there. So this is our question. We write, then print n. So you can see if you run, the project is already running ready. You can see run project. So you can see here we already have from 1 up to 67. So we didn't have we were expected to print but the number from 0 to less than 90. So if you follow up to here, there's no number. You already printed a lot of number from here. There's no number more than 90, as you can see here. All the number are less than 90. So that's how simple to write a for loop is. So thank you guys for watching. If any video or any question people want me to talk about in Swift, just post it down below. And if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. Until then, see you.